I'm going to go to the vet today, not yours, Bella. Hey, Bodie, we're going to go to the vet just for a checkup and to get your needles. I'll just get your collar on. Just wait a sec. Just get your collar on. Bodie, come here. I mean your lead. You have to stay here today, Bella. You have to stay here. Come here, Beau. I'll get your collar on. Come here. Yeah. Yeah, you're not coming. Beau, come here. It's your turn to look after Felix today, Bella. Here we go. Your turn to look after Felix. Bodie, come here. Beau, come here. Come here. Bodie, you all ready to go? Yeah. Here, Bella, she doesn't like the idea of you going without her. Okay, let's go and get your needles and get a checkup. Away. To the vet. Patients all had, but Beau is on a diet. No snacks for Beau. You're a good boy though, weren't you? Very good. Hop out. Hop out. Come here, Beau. Just take your collar off. There we go. Let's go and find Bella. I think she missed you. Let's go and get Bella. Yeah, I think she missed you. Come on. This way. Let's go. I think Bella's excited to see you. Yes, she is. Here she is. Oh, look, there she is. She missed you so much. Hey, Bella. Hey, Beau. Hey, we home. We're home. Yeah, did you miss us? We're not going in there. We didn't go anywhere exciting, Bella. Good doggies. Good doggies. Oh, well, looks like a diet for you, Beau. Or otherwise healthy. Otherwise healthy.